Ooh, Wesley got one. Nice.
I got him in the gills.
Yeah, he probably came up and smashed it and missed. Wes got one. Check it out, guys. Let's go, Wesley. Oh, this tree moved again. It wasn't right there before.
I was gonna say.
Every time the water goes up, so it's gonna be in the creek next time we come here, I'm sure. Because it was way up here earlier, or last time.
What do we think?
Let's walk out to the left to the pool out here. Go on, man. Oh yeah, Jaeger, you said there's a warranty, so. Fish on.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Did you use him again? I knew it.
Spinner bait. Nice. Looks like a shoalie. Oh, a little baby shoal, guys. Check it out. Little baby shoal. Let's go. Just a little guy. Check that out though, huh? Beautiful shoal bass, guys. Smash that like button. We're catching fish right in the beginning of the stream. Let's go, baby. Go ahead and let him go right now. See you later, bud. You're right in a hole, Wes. Wesley just went chest deep and walked right in the hole. That's great.
Didn't realize it was that deep right there.
All right, what's going on? We got 99 people up in here. Let's go, baby. We're live. I think I have a fish. Yep, fish on. This is a better fish, guys. Better fish here. Nice. Nice shoalie, guys. Really nice shoalie. Oh yeah. Let's go, baby. Yeah.
Are you going top water?
No, I'm using a swim bait. Look at that. Woo! That's a nice shoal, guys. Holy crap. That's a good looking fish, man. Nice fish. All right.
How do I get back down to you?
Cut around. Beautiful shoal bass. This is almost a 2-pound shoal bass, guys. Holy crap. Beautiful. Nice fish. Nice. Yo, smash that like button, guys. We are catching fish out here. Let's go. I'll go ahead and release them. Woo! See you later. Make our way down to this other pool. Check it out, guys. What's happening? How's everyone doing? Freaking spiders. Oh, big blue heron. Dude was just hanging out. Try to cast one right here, guys. We're gonna get him right here though. I'll come around. Yeah, that's it. Beautiful cast. Got one. Called it underneath the tree. This is a nice fish. Decent fish here, guys. All right. He's fighting. He's fighting. Nice. We got another really good shoal bass. Look at that. Look at this guy. Let's go. Oh man, look at this tank. Woohoo! Let's get it, guys. Tank right here. Westley! Yeah. Another beautiful, beautiful shoal bass. Let's go. Let's get to 200 likes, guys. Let's get it. Holy crap, that's a beautiful fish. Beautiful, beautiful fish. We're going ahead and let him go now. There he goes.